Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review the CreativeFabrica affiliate program that you can use for making money, and also I'm going to share with you the strategies on how you can actually make money with CreativeFabrica that you're gonna like. Because CreativeFabrica, to be honest, is an amazing platform because it's such an amazing niche down platform that you can use for making money that I just love it, and I will explain you why. But 3 things before we start. If you can have any questions regards CreativeFabrica or affiliate in general, ask it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to give you advice and guide you. The second thing, I created the best tools that you can use for affiliate marketing, like AI writers, how we can analyze competition, the best hosting providers with the codes you will find down below, also in the description. And then I created a free masterclass where I teach the top 3 strategies that I personally use for creating and generating like $1,000 monthly from revenue. So let's hear and let's look and analyze CreativeFabrica. When we come here to the affiliates, we can see become an affiliate with us and you can earn 25% on every single purchase and 20% per subscriber per month. Visitor purchase subscription for $29, you earn 5.80. Visitor purchase a font for $18, you earn $4.50. How to sign up? Sign up to our affiliate program. Please mail us to here. So you're gonna mail there. And you see that, okay, our affiliate program has a whole lot of extras for you as you sign up. Highest payout in the market, request payout at a time, 24/7. And plenty of people are actually using it because it's like goddamn amazing. But not the, like affiliate is great. Like 25% of our orders is alright. Comparing to Udemy, which got 15%, perfect. Comparing to Redbubble, which got 10%, perfect. And when we come here and look on popularity of CreativeFabrica, this is important. So CreativeFabrica.com, we see that they got about 6.2, 6.8 million people, mostly coming from United States. So this is not India. This is not like something like you got buyers with money. That's important. The second thing is when we look on reviews. Look at this. Trustpilot 4.5, which is really high. So again, reviews are good, popularity is good, and let's talk about the strategy now on how you can make money with CreativeFabrica. So the best way is to actually solve the problem, and this is what I teach also in the masterclass. What is CreativeFabrica solving? What kind of problems that you can get? Like, okay, I'm going to show you like really idea that this guy just made and I really like it, that how to make coloring book pages in Canva. And look what he did. He actually recommended tools we'll be using, and he actually recommended how I found backgrounds on my book, and he recommended CreativeFabrica. So people are going to click there, they're going to buy it, and imagine they got 26,000 people watching this video. So how many of them actually clicked on the link and used it? Because those 26,000 people were people who were actually interested in CreativeFabrica and coloring book pages. They're gonna come there through the link, they're gonna register, and they're gonna buy through him. And voila, he's making revenue. And I don't even know how much money he's making, but it must be a bang. So this is like one thing that you can actually do. And then you can click here on fonts. And let's say we can like display fonts, colorful fonts. And plenty of people are actually like selling these, or I can go with the graphics. And let's look what we have here. And we can go popularity by latest, and you can literally just start selling these. Lightroom presets, Photoshop. So all of that you can create. Like if someone wants to build something, they will possibly need something from CreativeFabrica. How you can get it to them? That's the question, right? So you can have nicking patterns. Okay, and we can look at this and come here best you can create content about this. Then when you go even further, we can use like even specialize it for kids. And you see baby. And you can really go specialize and create a long-term content, but not only like YouTube videos. As I mentioned, I got in tools, the best tools for affiliates, a WriteSonic program, which is going to help you write articles. So you can specialize on long-term keywords and write articles. Use also something called SEMrush, which is going to help you analyze the competition. And that's what you can do. And it's like a really good way how you can make money, because then you're just gonna add your affiliate links in your posts. And I'm going to also create a whole tutorial how you can build up your website and how it's actually possible. But that's how you do it. Like labyrinth here, and then you're gonna have also cross-stitch patterns. Then we have the tools here, bundles, crafts, etc. So you can see like the potential is unlimited here. And you can literally start writing about things that you understand. You can use the YouTube search, Google search, what people are actually searching for. So we have also the scene generators and the best scene generators. Then you can even go in further and specialize. Like let's say for Redbubble, I always say if you want to make money with you don't want to work just best iPhone 14 phone cases, you can go, and this is just example, go best iPhone 14 Marvel cases, right? Then you want to specialize, and then best for iPhone 14 patterns cases, cinema, games cases. And you can literally just find something similar, something good. And let's say that I'm going to have House of Dragon here. House of the Dragon stickers, right? And look at this, people already made it. And you can easily write about it. It's like just example what you can do. But this is pretty much it, how you can make money with CreativeFabrica affiliate program. Like it's possible, it's not that hard. And yeah, thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.